Okay, the watch list for October 16th should be Friday. Starting with CJES, kind of see right there, a little kind of cup and handle. This one looks good over that little sideways base here. Today's high was 569, so up over 570. This one might get a pop. The chart looks okay. AXLL had this on watch for today. I didn't make a call on this, but one of our members, Jane from Jolly Old England, one of the best members we have. She just shares setups all day long that she sees, and most of us have her on our hot script, which alerts us every time she types something. She called this long. We already had it on watch, and she called this long over this little flag here, and look what happens. Beautiful. Now, why is it still on watch? Because you still have a potential to break over this high from about a week ago, which was 2055. So, might get a red to green and then break out over this little flag here. So I put it back on watch again. EXAS had this on watch today for a bounce. Never gave me an entry, but it did close near its highs. So I've got it on long watch for tomorrow. I think this might continue this bounce. UEPS. Very nice move today on nice volume. Thinner stock, but maybe a red to green in that one tomorrow. So that goes on watch. KND. This one really beaten up, bounced, comes down, takes out all the stops, and then pops up pretty nicely. All right, so this might, right here, this might be putting in a higher low. So I want to watch this one for some continued upside tomorrow. I know it's not like a beautiful chart, but I've seen this work a lot, so it doesn't cost me anything to have it on a chart. MNGA. Let's see if I can draw kind of a trend line here. Make that a little smaller. I'm going to change the color because it's not that easy to see. And we'll see if this works. All right, there. Sorry about that. You can kind of see you've got a high there. You had a lower high, and then today a lower high still. This is not much of a trading stock because it doesn't move much on any given day, except every now and then on a gap on news. But this one, the news keeps coming out. The story behind the company is interesting, and the chart's interesting. So, because you had this big move here to almost $1.60. Then the lower high below $1.30, then another lower high that just peaked through $1.20, and you notice the lows are getting higher as well. So this looks poised to break out to the upside here. Maybe we get news in the morning, we get that breakout, but I do like the looks of this chart. Let's turn that drawing tool off. All right, so that's MNGA, AFMD, really high volume pop for this stock. So this might continue. Might have a red to green there tomorrow. I want to have that one on watch. And then Walmart, WMT, goes back on bounce watch. It didn't really give me an entry, or it didn't give me an entry today, but this is a big move down for Walmart and a much more narrow range today than yesterday. I think this one might bounce tomorrow, so I want to have it on watch, see if I can't get a proper setup. As I always say, hopefully we'll find some nice gappers in the morning as well. Teamwork in the chat room has been fantastic, and we're finding plenty to trade. There's a lot of volatility out there right now, so the market's been actually pretty good. All right, so I'll leave it at that, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great night.